Simplify 1 all over x squared plus x minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 1 all over x squared plus 2x. We take solution. First thing, what we are going to do is we are going to start by factorizing the denominators of the three fractions. If we take the denominator of the first fraction, which is x squared plus x is common. We are going to factor out x. X times x gives us x squared plus x times 1 gives us x. We take the denominator of the second fraction, which is x squared plus 3x plus 2, which is a quadratic expression. We have to factorize it. We need two numbers whose sum is 3 and whose product is 2. This will simply be the same as x squared plus, if we take 2x plus x gives 3x plus 2. If we take 2 times 1 gives 2. This will simply be equal to, if we take the first two terms, we can factor out x. X times x gives us x squared plus x times 2 gives us 2x plus the second pair, we can factor out 1. This will give us x plus 2. This will be equal to x plus 2 is common. If you factor out x plus 2 times x plus 1. So this is the factorization of the denominator of the second fraction. Next, we need to factorize the denominator of the third fraction. If you take x squared plus 2x, x is common. We factor out x times x gives us x squared plus x times 2 gives us 2x. Next thing, we need the LCM of the denominators of the three fractions, that is x squared plus x, x squared plus 3x, plus 2, x squared plus 2x. This will simply be equal to the LCM of their factorized form, the LCM of x times x plus 1, x plus 2 times x plus 1, and x times x plus 2. The LCM will simply be x, take x, times x plus 1, there's x plus 1 here, and there's x plus 1 here, times x plus 1, times x plus 2, and there's x plus 2 here. The LCM will simply be x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. Simplifying the fractions, 1 all over x squared plus x minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 1 all over x squared plus 2x will simply be equal to 1 all over the factorization of x squared plus x is x times x plus 1 minus 1 all over the factorization of x squared plus 3x plus 2 is x plus 2 times x plus 1 plus 1 all over the factorization of x squared plus 2x is x times x plus 2. This will simply be equal to the LCM of the denominators. We are going to write down the LCM below this horizontal line, which is x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. We take the LCM. X times x plus 1 times x plus 2 divided by x times x plus 1. We'll be left with x plus 2 times 1 remains x plus 2 minus x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 1. We'll be left with x times 1 remains x plus x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 divided by x times x plus 2. We'll be left with x plus 1 times 1 remains x plus 1. This will be equal to, we have to simplify the numerator. X minus x gives us 0 plus x. We are left with x. 2 plus 1 gives us plus 3. All over x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. Therefore, the simplification of 1 all over x squared plus x minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 1 all over x squared plus 2x is simply equal to x plus 3 all over x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. You underline the final answer. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.